Dear students, good morning. Today we will understand different properties of whole numbers. whole numbers की different properties क्या होती हैं आज हम वो सीखेंगे. So first of all of you must know that if we add 0 in our counting like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and go on, all these numbers are called whole numbers. So today's topic is properties of whole numbers. So first property is closure property. So closure property states that if we take any two numbers and our result will also be the same whole number. If we take any two whole numbers and add two whole numbers, then our result will always be a whole number. So let us see. 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. In this addition, 7 is a whole number and 8 is a whole number. So our result is also a whole number. In second example, 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. Here 2 is also a whole number, 6 is also a whole number, and our result is also a whole number. In third case also, 1 plus 9 both are whole numbers, hence our result is also a whole number. So in case if you add any two whole numbers and your result is also a whole number, then that property is called closure property, or we can say that addition is always a closure property on whole numbers. In similar case, in multiplication, if we multiply any two whole numbers and our result is also a whole number in each of these cases also, so multiplication is also a closure property on whole numbers, such that if we multiply 2 by 6, both of these are whole numbers, hence our result 12 is also a whole number. So this is called closure property. Next, our property is commutativity of addition and multiplication. अब ये commutative property क्या होती है इसे समझते हैं. देखिए, commutative property, if we add 2 plus 3, our result will become 5. If we reverse these numbers, if we have addition of 3 plus 2, it is also a 5, and result in both cases are same. If we add 9 plus 5, our result will be 14. If we reverse the numbers, 5 plus 9, our result is also 14. So result is same in this case also. Our third example is 2 plus 13 is equal to 15. Then 13 plus 2 is also 15. So if we add any two numbers and our result will be same irrespective of the position of numbers. अगर आप पोजिशंस चेंज भी कर देते हैं, आगे पीछे भी कर देते हैं, तो भी आपका रिजल्ट सेम ही आता है. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी इज कॉल्ड कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी. इफ इट अप्लाइज ऑन एडिशन, अगर ये एडिशन में अप्लाई होता है तो इट इज कॉल्ड कम्यूटेटिविटी ऑफ एडिशन. सो यू हैव टू राइट 5 such examples of commutativity of addition on whole numbers. So our next property is commutativity of multiplication. मल्टीप्लीकेशन की कम्यूटेटिविटी क्या होती है, फिर से वही देखेंगे. इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई 4 by 5, it will become 20. If we reverse the numbers, if we multiply 5 by 4, our result will also be 20. In second example, if we multiply 9 by 2, our result is 18. And if we multiply 2 by 9, our result will also be 18. If we multiply 5 by 9, our result is 45. And if we reverse these numbers, अगर इन numbers को आगे पीछे भी कर दें, 9 by 5, it will also be 45. So each of in these cases our result is also is same irrespective of position of two whole numbers. So we can say that multiplication is also commutative on whole numbers. So you have to write 5 such examples of this property. Next, our next property is associativity of addition. In this case, we take three numbers 2 plus 3 plus 4. So सबसे पहले अगर हम फर्स्ट टू नंबर्स को ऐड कर दें 2 plus 3 it will become 5 and this 4 will remain same. 5 plus 4 our result will be 9. In this case हमने फर्स्ट टू नंबर्स को ऐड किया था. अगर इन्हीं नंबर्स को लें और हम लास्ट टू नंबर्स को ऐड करें लाइक दिस 2 plus 3 plus 4. सो इन दिस केस लास्ट के टू नंबर्स को हमने पहले ऐड किया एंड आफ्टर दैट पहले नंबर को ऐड किया. सो 3 plus 4 is 7. This 2 will become same. So 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. You can see that in both of these cases, whether we add first two numbers first, after that third number, or we add second and third number first, then first number. So our result will be always same. So this property is called associative property. कि आपके पास कोई थ्री नंबर्स हैं और उन थ्री नंबर्स को आप किसी भी तरीके से ऐड कीजिए, चाहे फर्स्ट टू को पहले ऐड कीजिए उसके बाद थर्ड को ऐड कीजिए या पहले लास्ट टू को ऐड कीजिए उसके बाद फर्स्ट को ऐड कीजिए, उससे कोई डिफरेंस नहीं होगा, आपका रिजल्ट विल बी सेम. सो आई हैव हियर सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल. इफ वी टेक 9 plus 2 plus 7. सो 9 plus 2 is 11. पहले हमने फर्स्ट टू नंबर्स का एडिशन किया फिर थर्ड नंबर ऐड किया और रिजल्ट विल बी 18. इन सेकेंड केस हम लास्ट टू नंबर्स को पहले ऐड करेंगे फिर फर्स्ट नंबर ऐड करेंगे. इन दैट केस ऑल्सो आवर रिजल्ट विल बी 18. सो व्हेन इन एडिशन पोजिशन डजंट मैटर of numbers, that property is called associativity of addition. Now we will see whether this associative property is applicable on multiplication or not. We will take three numbers. फर्स्ट टू नंबर्स को पहले मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे फिर उनको थर्ड नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो आवर रिजल्ट विल बी 420. अब की बार इन नेक्स्ट केस वी विल मल्टीप्लाई लास्ट टू नंबर्स and after that we will multiply by first number. Our result will be 420 in this case also, you can see. So in multiplication also, if we have three digits, then in multiplication also place of digits doesn't matter. So multiplication is also a associative property. हम किसी भी नंबर को आगे पीछे करके मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं, हमारे रिजल्ट पे कोई भी इफेक्ट नहीं आएगा. सिमिलर वे आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड हेयर सेकंड एग्जांपल. 5 multiply 4 multiply 3. देखो so first of all we have multiplied 5 by 4, it will become 20. Multiply by 3, our result will be 60. In second case, first we will multiply 4 and 3 which will become 12 and then we multiply this 12 by this 5. Our result will also in this case 60. So we can say that multiplication is associative property on whole numbers. Now the most important property is distributivity of multiplication over addition. This is the most important property, distributivity of multiplication over addition. In this case we have 6 multiply 5 plus 3. So in this case, first we will multiply this 6 by this 5, and it will become 6 multiply 5. Then we will multiply this 6 by this 3, 6 by 3, एंड इन दोनों के बीच में जो भी साइन होगा वो इन दोनों ब्रैकेट्स के बीच में साइन आएगा. सो इन दिस केस एंड इन दिस केस, in both of these cases our result will become 48. So let us see another example. If we have to multiply 4 by this bracket 5 plus 8, then what you have to do is you multiply this 4 by this 5. First of all, 4 multiply 5, then we will see this sign, this is plus sign, so we write plus here, and next time we will multiply this 4 by this 8, and in this case our result will become 52. This is called distributivity of multiplication over addition. Okay, I will once more explain this property. If we have numbers like 6 multiply bracket 5 plus 3, so in this case we will multiply this 6 by first digit. 6 multiply 5, we will write like this. After that we will see this sign, here is plus sign, so we will write plus sign, and after that we will multiply this 6 by this 3. 6 multiply 3. Okay, so now we will solve this and our result will be 48. So we can understand distributivity of multiplication over addition like this also. If we have 6 multiply 5 plus 6 multiply 3, so we can take, here we can see that 6 is in both the brackets, so we will take 6 common, or we will write 6 outside, and we will write a multiply sign, and here we have 5, we will write this 5, and after that we will write this plus sign, and we have in this bracket 3 is left out, so reverse of this is also true. Okay, if LHS is equal to RHS, then RHS is also equal to LHS. So we can see in second case also, if we have 4 multiply 5 plus 4 multiply 8, in this case we have 4 in both of these brackets, so first of all we will write this 4, we will take 4 common from both of these brackets, and in this bracket 5 is left, and in this bracket 8 is left, so we will write 5 plus 8, and here we have written 5 plus 3 in this bracket. So after that we will add this 5 plus 3, which will become 8, and multiply by this 6, and this in this second bracket we will add 5 plus 8, which will be 13, multiply by 4, our result will be 52. So on basis of this property, distributivity of multiplication over addition, we will solve our question number 3 and question number 4. So you have to understand this property very carefully.